Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ailya and I serve as a university chaplain. I recently took Hakim Salim Khan's course on Unani Tib. I was looking for a class on holistic healing rooted in the Islamic tradition that values the interconnectedness of the mind, body, heart, and spirit. This course provided that and so much more. It ended up being a healing and spiritual journey for me. Rooted in the Islamic tradition, in Tawheed, and in the example of our beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this course provided so much learning of his sunnah, his example, his healing, and those who came after him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hakim Salim Khan has over 40 years of experience and a deep love and devotion to this tradition and to preserving it. Taking this course has been absolutely transformational for my life and has been a huge gift and blessing, and I would absolutely recommend it for anyone else. If you're looking to learn of a holistic, natural tradition rooted in Islam and to bring true healing to yourself and to those around you, I would truly recommend this course. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.